Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath there's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the appearance package, which is going to give you 20-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated running boards, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black MB text interior, panorama sunroof, 3-way climate control for the front, middle, and rear, 3rd row seating. Come around back, trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down 3rd row seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, lane keep assist. Comes with the premium one package, Harman Kardon sound system, a natural grain wood trim, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, wood and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLS has 19,662 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.